I say all over the internet with all type of foolishness. She don't buy no jelly cotton and look on her. And between me and Uno and the world and internet, Dexter that don't fuck her. Uno for using the head and think. Uno as human being for using the head and think. You see when man grind woman, they don't behave like that. If a boy grind me, or a boy used to grind me, and then go up close and personal as breed, me don't need to behave so. Where water like run, it can run again. Not him no fuck she not get. I like tell. It no grind. Just listen to it no man. Listen to it, just think about it no man. You grind a man, and a man used to grind. And a man I give a side I am now look. You not feeling no argument? If you used to grind a person, what you want to create a publicity stunt for him to chase him away, that makes sense? Not more you go over the DJ and the DJ say you're a rat, and the DJ deal with it like civilized person, you fall in love. And that one. Because Dexter is a really nice person. Individual. He's really a nice individual. I've met him once. And talking, he smiled to me, so I met him once. Although we live close, I have met him once. He's really a nice individual. You understand? Really a nice individual. No man enough, the boy no man no fuck her all now. Anybody else get fucked but she. So it look like she fall in love over the treatment. Oh, him not treat her like Adam. I'm so sure rat, you know. Remember Lisa iPad Gaza dog bed. Remember Lisa iPad Gaza dog bed. Remember good. Remember who the whole we know. She had Gaza dog bed. What of them fuck her in her empire, the majority of them. So when she go around that panel and that must sit her then, Lisa, you should hear me and you know, him show your love, him show your attention, him they like civilized people, they fall in love with the DJ. And I talk about DJ breed you. Look how much nice girl in the world, the man is a mad man. What the man do the own a shit house? And you don't want to pay my bumper clot money. You hear what you said? Your baby bad breed it dead there. And that true me smell the rat. What kind of rat me smell? You want me to tell the people say me get your rap sheet? Yeah. Me get Lisa hype rap sheet. Me get fear rap sheet. You know when I go through immigration they rap sheet long so Lisa hype. Lisa them on nobody? Also, I'm gonna go my house dirty, me can't tell Lisa hype them on nobody. Can them come and see you over train line come on out ear so and them image. I say well Lisa I go over train line come on out yasso and them image. Lisa I them on nobody. Over train line them have Lisa hype as a mad girl in a clean clothes. Mad smarty. Mad sick head no blood good. She need to go back over train line. She could come back and go over train line and see what she go get. And that she need for blood clot though. You don't have to pay me no bitch. Bitch you don't have to pay me cause me jump past that money saga there with you. But me I show no how nothing wrong with you. Nothing at all wrong with you. You know I say nothing wrong with you. You say and she up on the internet a class the girl and her pitney. The girl and her pitney know what she do. She know what she do. Nothing at all that your head you use. You use say you're sick. You use say you're mad. Lisa hyper use say she mad. She create this problem, people say she mad. Lisa hyper use say she mad, so when she create these problems, people say, oh she mad. Not no blood clot do her. She know exactly what she do. Free promote her song. Them what she do. Not no do her. Not no do that. Not no do that. Nothing. Not all no do her. Nothing. One thing me can tell you say, jealousy cause she make sure behave so. Not all no do her. Because me know so not all no do her. You are gonna make me know say, oh girl over trailer away from me. And I smell the rat. What kind of rat me I smell? And the girl will say away from me so fuck you. Them never know so Lisa pass that night. Them never know so that girl was shot call we say her baby. She did up her yard one night time, you know, any girl pass through the girl house there, I forget blood clot. Tell them what she call. Let's see what she say about me. Yeah. Yeah. What she say, I'm a baby, a girl. All long time. How would you Lisa Sniper? Sperms are run for your mouth to do that blood clot jubiler. How would you John Crow? You know one, I'm on for your dog shit. Me no want I'm on for your blood clot train like mattress. Me no want I'm on for your dirty girl. Cause nothing no blood clot them like use people and go like you're nice is a snake. You want my blood clot money. What me want for do with my bed. Yeah, my money, you know. I want my money for do with my bed. 100,000 can do with my blood clot. They gonna walk a old girl and girl no live nowhere. A survival mode me in a your own my blood clot money. Lisa swipe and want come in argument about people are blown for. Anybody who hears a talk about blood clot up there in their mind. Che. Say people are up there in their mind and them are walk the up here. I don't say dope in a real and supernatural not real, but up here in a blood clot real. All them other men them send 10 dopey palm me, which 10 dopey a ride you, a dopey a cocky dopey a ride you. Cause no man no want to kind of throat flag out. Cocky dopey a ride you, cause no man no want you because your throat flag out. You don't have no throat back. Throat back away you not have. You don't have no throat back. The amount of mileage you pick up in your whole hole. Eh? You's a big artist and you carry on a man and stay with what do you so nobody no look bad? I saw no salt. Cock it up your demons the pound man. True word. Lisa I choke back not up. Like when you ever say when you're not up it's hard for tangle, so Lisa I choke back them not up with sperms. Eh? And you want to come off and everybody walk and fucking you want dirty blood. Go get some morals to yourself and standards. You not pay my dog shit, keep the money. Me don't want it anymore. But me got liberty up your blood cause you call me off of my beggings. You say yes so, right so. You say yes so, me appreciate yes so. And when them say she don't live now in her house dirty, me appreciate yes so. Yes, so me appreciate my work. Blood clot, me appreciate yes, so my work. Any big pussy girl will call me for my blood clot work, and then when you're done to the degree, any time for pay me girl, me got tear you up on the internet because I could have come so come slung and beg if I even want $200 and get go buy my food. I could have slung us for the whole of Friday. I take the whole of Friday. I myself a rub off all. You know what? Put my money dirty dog bed. But up in the part your people, boy, people traumatized, you know. Go look your size. There's a lot young and sleek. What am I doing there? You're bore out. It's a bores. You ever hear all that? You ever hear all that? Your boss cocky ship, your wind, your tonsil. All Mr. Let's swallow Lisa I pass all appear gap. Me don't know if I went since you want the man to take up germs and turn now I breed what? Breed what? Breed what? Dead side up sick in my head. Dead side up look like a madman for breed what? Breed what? Them the whole back there. I do she our body make she look like she's smaddy, you know. Back in the days, they a little bit and cranny and more big and ugly. I do she do her body now and look like smaddy. Them the whole back there, you ever see old back yet? Old concubine. All dead. I resurrect. But yes, and Vibes Cartel, Vibe, the boss needs to take my career. So they have blood clot career. Why you never focus? Like how Spice did focus. The boss can't got call I tell Caan do 13 years of prison and left come from prison, come pick up your blood clot mess like I'm gonna sweep it up. Him a pitney and grand pitney for look bout and baby mother and woman. Him spend 13 years behind bar, him can left from behind bar, come pick up your what you do him then about behind bars. Walk at convince people so your blood clot mad. You never focus. You know say all Spice focus. If you the focus like Spice, dirty Lisa, I be the beside her, or even in front. You not focus. You not focus, you know. You never focus. You just long right beside that Spice, or probably in front of her. You want a man spend 13 years behind by come left up and clean up your blood clot mess. So I'm telling you them and them grand pitney them. And him dance start to Ariana. And pitney them mess him for go clean up. And him life and him health. Thinking y'all. Nobody business with you. Not more than 2 cards to go back to prison. You can't get no more comfy swallow, you no worries. So you can't get enough comfy go swallow. You in a worse dark bed. I want my blood clot money all that, y'all. I want my money so good. I want my money. Licky back and swallow. I want my blood clot money. Dog shit. Come never tell you, I want a blood clot work. I don't know, go call me and use me because I see my house dirty. I want bed and the things them. And me a pin worse. Me a pin if I got blood clot school all tomorrow morning. And I want to curriculum and extra blood clot lesson. And me have sports there, me have all type of blood clot there. For deal with. It's the worst, me have Shanshan and Barbara Lisa. I me dark up the whole internet for you know. Me want me money goggle balls. Me no mad yo. You no mad. And people boy know you can't get rest for your blood clot brain. Can look a bit and think. But I bet you go back and sell peanut. I bet you can't sing no more blood clot music. $300 me gonna make swarm for my money. Lisa I but you got $4 gonna look at 300 me Rosealee I got send. $300 for my money. When me done with that $300 gonna pan you for me blood clot money goggle balls. Spit lick and swallow. But Carter, if you take my career seriously, you have career? And since the boss come out and put out 2 songs, me see you running a me case like you have blood clot career. You have career? I will last we hear about you. I want my money. If you don't want to give me keep it, I go suck your mama. Simple. But you're not going to come on no internet. Come go like you want to come talk to me in any way like I owe you something. And you owe me no bitch. Bitch, remember you owe me. Remember you call me out of my house to come walk behind you and you owe me. Me no owe you nothing. And I asked for my money at a late. You tell me, give you some time and I did that. I do that already. People, she not supposed to come to me about 180 money because I'm from in January, I give her 2 weeks in February. I do the video show to that before month 10 January. I give her 2 weeks in February. So if we wait again for what? You know, keep it worrying, girl, keep it. And I call me boy if I want clothes or if I want bed. This time if I want clothes, I can buy clothes off a Shein. And if I want bed, I come beg it on the internet. But the girl on the internet class me. But you know you, I work, me no worrying girl. Remember saying I beg, me I beg nothing, you know. I want the people them know her. I want the 4.6 kpb so no say. I no beg, me I beg Lisa hype nothing. Lisa hype and I beg, me I beg nothing, I owe you owe me money for my work. I owe you owe me for my work. I'm see I create chaos bomb man and who this and come and carry cocky con gear and come and it bang to the bend and you breed me and this. I must have double breed you. I must have double. Why? Hey, you say man this really increase? Serious? Yeah. Give it a drama track. When me did the video shoot, I'm like Pinky, you know. Pinky guys are Pinky, me like Pinky. So I'm spirit take Pinky. When me did the video shoot, me shot tell Pinky about yes. I am also next up say breed me, I'm lose the belly. So see me I cut me ears. This is what I be with the use the belly. You know when I done me talk to you. So I say here. Say here. So when I done me talk, I'm saying here. I say yeah, my mind no. Watch it, watch all this dirty fragment here. Because miss, if you want, if no one talk, the story make me hear it. I tell people you know I'm hearing. This type of have to do that. This type of I want nobody me just go over train line and go ask anybody up down at that part road. This type of I want know nothing about you. And that the story there, me just go ask anybody about train line. And the one thing I tell me and always, you say like a mad girl. Man breed what? She mad. Me run ask 10 somebody the one story. All them gonna tell me say you mad. Young girl like you make cocky mad over cocky we never get taste nor bite. Jesus Christ. You know me forgive you, me away pan you. Hey, you know mad, you know? Delusional. And there I was thinking that it's on the battle man alone, delusional. I never saw man delusional too. Yes, here I was thinking it's on the battle man alone was delusional. I never saw woman like myself called the Lulu. Because people just looking at the character now. Man grind what? The man is a married man. Pure madness. Show the man not treated like the dog shit you are. Life I'm scribbling, I'm confident. We ask me, I'm sure. Of course, what do you mean by it? Come on, sense alone tell you. The man is an international artist who got all about in the world. He can't get anybody why I'm that sick of Lisa hype. Come on, sense like that. If me is an international artist I get any man of the world, why am I got sick of a when that sick and poorest the man married? That makes sense? If you get black, Chinese, Peruvian, girl with skin thick, pretty like, if you get girl with pretty like money, as a chore, water upon them so them body does melt with the water. Throw them nice. You get all of them girl. So when that's like for she. I wanna run with the madness. Nothing no go so. Me and Jake's a long time, my baby. So you can't put that in that content. Me and Jake's a long time before me reach us so. And here I was waiting on my money. Then cocky mad out, Lisa hype me can't get no money. Cocky mad her, me not gonna get my money and she still got in a chance. So me not even bother want it. And then me not cocky blood clad story, wood story.
Hi mommy. Hi mommy.
Yeah, me not wood story.
Nuffy, a while ago you call me and say my career go good and my song hard drive bad and whatever. Zine, you call me and I say me for just focus on my career and me feel low off a shorty name. If you afraid of shorty family them, me no blood clot afraid of family them. Me no afraid of Obia walking auntie, dirty auntie named Angela. Tell short, me tell you say, if you go out and say that, me if stop, tell shorty if you allow me to. Zine? Tell her if you allow me to. Tell her auntie if stop walk the Obia them where them a walk for me. Because Shorty family, them not bad like my family. You hear me, I tell you? You know my family, Nuffy, you don't know nothing about me, no. Cartel know about me. Cartel know my family, them. Adisha Palmer know my family, them. You don't know me, Nuffy. You don't know nothing about me. With the blood clot, you called my phone a while ago. If you are save yourself, save yourself. If you afraid of them, afraid of them. Me not afraid of them. I tell you, say, me nah come back out, come talk, nothing, you know. You hear what me I say to you? I tell you, say, me tell you, say, me I focus on my business and my career. Now, what you do a while ago, you should do it. Furthermore, I talk to Cartel liar. Cartel liar and my liar. Cartel is still my manager. If you never know. Nobody true him silent and him not say no. Him just a wait till me calm down. You understand what me I say? I've been used. I've been abused. I've been raped. I've been beaten. Them walk up upon me 4 times and them still a try walk up upon me now. You understand what me I say? I know my fault why Adi love me more than Shorty. Zin? Tell her auntie, don't Angela for stop walk the obia with them and walk upon me. Tell them that. Zin? Stop going like you no love me. Cause when me did need people, me never hear from you Nuffy. I never hear from you when me I go through my stress. And me I go through when me I go through. When me get the up of you and them a give me the mad people injection, them me no hear from no now no the whole I go ball off. No ball off. And at the last time me I come out come talk. If you don't think me a joke dog, my family them a suffer. Me have my family them for take care of. Me have my granny for take care of. Me have my father for take care of. Me have my mother for take care of. Me have my sister for take care of. Me pregnant. I'm pregnant, I'm have my pitney for take care of because me not depend on man for take care of my pitney. Me not depend on no boy for take care of my pitney. And me I go take care of me and mines. Here, me have the country where I want to invest in now. Government badness and wholeness. Me have the country where I want to invest in now. Me have my agriculture where I want to invest in now. I have whole real estate when I want to invest in the thief on the thief out my $1 million out of my account. The whole heap of money where it in my account and the thief it out. And me have to wait 180 days so my account free up. Fine, no problem. Me have wait the 180 days. You know go stick my like you know. What you did there? What you did there? When me I get used and abused and what the blood you did there? Eh? Me not afraid that she and her family them. And if I war a war. Uno allow me here. Uno allow me here. See it here. And this uno vex bo. Government badness and wholeness. And him a go win and uno can't stop it. He shall reign. He shall reign. He shall reign. And this a earth uno. Cause me no say PNP. He shall reign. Government badness and wholeness. You think me I get myself in another trouble for uno? And the system me I use and conquer uno. Me learn. A tile. Me learn my lesson. Me learn my lesson. Me learn my lesson. Government badness and wholeness. The girl when named Vanity carry me, bank statement come. Because whosoever you don't feel like them bad, me I come lock up your blood clot. And you see the same police them will lock you up and me did that for bail you. And give you $50,000 for go court. And then me I carry come lock you up back. Pussy Vanity. Uno allow me here and make me focus on my career here. And all of the people them were vexed because me I say Louis Grandis and my light and salvation. Me love him to blood clot. And I don't give a no want me. Me want him. Uno go mother. But PNP. Government badness and wholeness. Me done chat. What is under my nose? I'm out.